Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Distinguished guests, eminent scholars, practitioners and experts, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. I am Dr. Shabaq, President, Lahore Institute for Research and Analysis, University of Lahore. I will be moderating and hosting today's event. On behalf of Golden Ring Economic Forum and Lahore Institute for Research and Analysis, it is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome all distinguished participants to this important roundtable conference, which has been most expressively captured as Pakistan's multi-dimensional engagement for strong foothold in Golden Ring countries, challenges, opportunities, and strategic economic regional diplomacy. Today we are privileged to have among us eminent scholars, foreign policy practitioners and strategic thinkers whose collective wisdom and experience will certainly enrich today's discussion. The evolving geopolitical and geoeconomic realities across Eurasia and the wider region demand fresh thinking and coherent strategies. Today's deliberations are intended to generate meaningful policy recommendations aimed at strengthening Pakistan's economic, diplomatic, and strategic engagement with the Golden Ring countries.